Hi guys, here 15 minus 5 is 10 times 2. This bracket is 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 5. Now 10 times 2 is 20 times 3 divided by 5. Here 20 times 3 is 60 divided by 5. Here 60 divided by 5 is 12 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, this 12 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority than other operation. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We have bracket here which is 1 plus 2. Now 15 minus 5 times 2 times 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by this 5. Now next priority is exponent. We don't have the exponent. Next priority is multiplication and division. In this problem we have subtraction, multiplication and other multiplication division. So these multiplication divisions are higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication division before this subtraction. Here both are equal priority. Multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one. So we have to do this before this subtraction and division. 15 minus 5 times 2 is 10 times 3 divided by 5. Here we have multiplication division, also this subtraction. Multiplication divisions are higher priority than the subtraction. Also this multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is this one. So 15 minus 10 times 3 is 30 divided by 5. Here this is division is higher than this subtraction. So we have to do this division before this subtraction. Here 15 minus this 30 divided by 5 is 6. Now 15 minus 6 is 9 is the correct answer.